How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today will be a quick video on what's been going on with my truck. Now, my truck has not been 100%, and I'll show you why right here. As you can see, I've got a smooth spot on the inner side of my tire right here. This is not good. You don't want this. This is bad. So, it's going in the shop this upcoming week when you see this video because my alignment's not true. We can't get my alignment right for quite a few months now. I've been waiting on parts, waiting on tires that I wanted and stuff like that. The upper control arms aren't long enough to get the alignment right. So I'll go into that and how I'm fixing that. I got new camber bolts coming in. So that's gonna help with that too. Or they're already in, sorry. New camber bolts coming in and I got new tires. So let's get in to what I've got. So as you could have seen, the tires are really bad. I guess, again, like I said, the front end's not right. It doesn't hold true straight. I have to hold it kind of crooked to go straight. But anyways, so these are not Nittos, which would probably shock a lot of you. These are Falcon ZX, I think I said it right, S/TZ05, 305 by 50 by 20, just like my Nittos. The reason why I went with these is for two reasons. Number one, we couldn't get Nitto 420Vs in. It would be like December before we can get them in. Also, guys, Harper Tire, they were my first ever sponsorship, and they are the ones that supplied me with these. They saved me hundreds of dollars on my orders shipped to my house. Even more so, they'll save you more money than custom offsets will. They saved me on this tire setup, I think it was almost close to $300 to $400 on this tire setup than custom offsets would. So, make sure you check them out, guys. Link will be down in the description for their Instagram page. Hit them up for your wheel and tire setup. Now, again, please, 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 please be very patient when it comes to wheel and tire setup because thanks to COVID and everything and tire manufacturers trying to get back into the swing of things, there's a lot of delays going on, so just be cautious. Second of all is I've actually read a lot of reviews. These have better reviews actually than the Nitto 420Vs. They're quieter apparently, and they shed water way better than the 420s do. So I'm very interested to see how they do. I'll do a whole video on that once I get them on the truck, once I put some miles on them. I cannot wait to get this done and get the truck perfect. Now, if we walk to the back of the truck, I've got my upper control arms. Yes, they are rough country. They are the upper controllers for these trucks for a level to 3-inch level lift truck of this sort. So these will be going for a lot more heavy duty, a lot more adjustment in these. And then of course I've got Moog, the camber kit for both sides in the box. I got the ones with a little bit more adjustment than OEM, so that way they can adjust it better. My shop's gonna do that. It's gonna turn out really good. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering, Josh, you said you're going with Kryptonite stuff when it comes out. Well, unfortunately though, Kryptonite has not come out their leveling kit for these trucks. They've been very focused on their F-Series, F250 and 350 from, I want to say it's the newer body style 7.3 and up. They've got a bunch of stuff for it, which I totally understand. I'm not mad at Kryptonite whatsoever. They just have not come out with anything for these trucks yet. So, that being said, I am gonna upgrade to Kryptonite front end parts once they come out. They just have not come out yet. So now I don't have a choice right now. I've got to have these parts on the truck. That way I can get my front end correct and the truck's more drivable than it is right now. The Kryptonite parts have been doing fantastic. I have no complaints on that. Absolutely awesome. But like I said, guys, make sure you hit up Harper Tire for all your wheel and tire needs and stuff like that. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please message them, comment them down below. I'll try to get back to you all as soon as possible, or message me or comment on my Instagram. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. The tires, upper control arms, and the camber kit are going on the truck again this week coming up. They probably are maybe even on the truck already by the time this video comes out. So that being said, guys, I hope you all liked the video. If you liked the video, leave a like, new to the channel. Please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water community, constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.